It's been 5 years since we started hands-on suturing, and in that time, hundreds and hundreds of midwives have taken our program and learned how to suture or improved on their technique. In that time, Holly and I have also learned quite a bit about what works great about our program and also what needs a little tweaking. Overall, people love the hybrid format, and so that is here to stay. You will complete part of the course on demand, online, at your own pace, prior to your live Zoom sessions. So that's the hybrid part. People ask, what location is this class in? The answer is wherever you are, because even the hands-on part happens over Zoom. We send you a supply kit, and when you join the Zoom, you'll join with 2 devices, one of which will be your phone put in a clamp stand that will be right over where you're working so that we're able to see what you're doing right up close and be able to give you live, personalized feedback. So that's all staying the same, but here are the changes that we're making going forward. First up, supply kits. No more loaner kits. All the kits we send are going to be yours to keep and practice with forever and ever. Makeup sessions. If you are unable to attend your live Zoom practice session for any reason, you will need to attend a makeup session. Previously, we charged $100 every single time someone had to do this, and honestly, it felt kind of bad to do it because a lot of the times people were missing because something went wrong in their life. So going forward, we've figured out a way where we will have the makeup sessions not be an extra fee. Now, this will only work if we continue to have about the same number of people need them as we have for the last 5 years. So the makeup sessions will be offered 3 times per year, and your first enrollment in a makeup session will be free. CE hours. We have added even more content. So this course, Hands-on Suturing 1, is now a whopping 12.5 hours of CE. And if you go on to take Suturing 2 is another 13.5 hours. Now you may be wondering, is the cost going to go up because of all these improvements? And the answer is yes. The cost has gone up a little bit. However, we've done everything we can to keep it as low as possible, including by negotiating for bulk discount rates on our favorite supplies. And we have added a new payment plan option. So for those of you who don't have it in your budget to pay a big lump sum all up front, you can spread your payments out over a few months. And I'll talk more about that payment plan in a little bit. Another thing we've learned is that the folks taking this class are a much wider group of people than we initially thought they would be. We mostly designed this course for CPMs that were practicing in homes and birth centers. But over the past 5 years, we found tons of CNMs have taken the class as well, even one doctor, and some of those providers were in hospitals. So whoever you are, whether you're a brand new student or whether you are an experienced provider, if you want to improve your suturing skills, you are welcome in this program. We've always had the option of small group sessions, private sessions, and instant access, but we've realized along the road that we could do a better job of explaining how these different options work. So here's that explanation. The specifics for each session will be laid out in the terms and conditions on the enrollment page, and also in the first section of each course. If you learn best with repetition, watching others, and concentrated learning over a few weeks on a very structured schedule, as well as enjoying the energy of learning in a group setting and hearing other folks' questions, and are financially able to pay for the full course fee all at once, and there's a small group session available prior to when you want to take the course, then a small group session is for you. On the other hand, if you are easily distracted and it is a challenge for you to hold attention, you might do better in one of our private one-on-one sessions. These sessions are also good for people that need to take the course by a specific date and there isn't any availability in a small group session prior to that date, or those who might get really high anxiety by having other people watch them practice suturing. And yes, the private session does cost a bit more as well, so you will need to be able to afford that higher course fee. If you learn best when you're able to go at your own pace and you're able to have flexibility to adjust that pace as needed if things come up and take as much time as you need, or if you need a payment plan, then instant access is going to be the best choice for you. So here's how instant access works. You can enroll anytime, you don't have to wait for there to be an available session date, and payment plans are only available through instant access. Once you enroll in instant access, you have instant access to all the on-demand content. So that's the videos, the quizzes, the PDFs, you can do all of it. It's over 8 hours of content, so it can be nice to get started early and work at your own pace. but you still get all the components that you would get from the other routes as well. So you still get a supply kit, and that kit will be sent to you once you have gotten to the point in the course that you need it and you have paid at least half through the payment plan. Once you're fully paid, you can enroll in any small group session that has space in it for free because you have already paid with your initial instant access enrollment. And if you decide you want to convert to a private session, you can pay an additional fee to be able to upgrade to a private session. If you know that you want to take hands-on suturing, but you aren't sure which route or when exactly you'll want to do your live sessions, just enroll through Instant Access. You can get started right away and figure all that out down the road. If you have questions about any portion of this program, please drop me an email, jessica@hivece.com.